go again.
Yes!
Yeah! Come on now. You're good, hold above it. Get reeled out there.
Yes. Come on, Mario. Right above your head.
Right above it. Match that up, baby.
And then foot and
Foot up to the right.
and mantle out.
You got the seam up and right. See it?
Yeah.
And then you can bump again once you get comfortable. Right hand again, maybe up into that pocket seam thing. Ooh,
Nice.
still on me. Got a big foot in at your left knee.
Yeah, nice. Good Mario.
Still on you. Come on now. Yeah, good shit, Mario. Good shit, buddy.
Oh,
I know
can't
that
feel
was
my
scary.
fucking hands. Oh shit!
Good job, dude.
man.
Holy fuck!
Good son.
Oh, I can't feel my hands.